College of the Desert is celebrating 40 years with an important announcement today.
We have reached agreement with Digicom CEO David Vogel and his team to create the Regional Center for Digital Media Education as a cornerstone of our new campus in Palm Springs.
College of the Desert is joining forces with Digicomm to be a centerpiece of the future West Valley COD campus in Palm Springs. The school is looking to bring a new digital media center to the campus to give hands-on work experience in digital technology fields.
Everybody needs to be able to communicate through video, and so as much as this is for students, hopefully it'll also be for continuing education where people want to be able to create content for themselves, their businesses, and for their families.
Officials at College of the Desert are still working to secure the Palm Springs Mall as the future location of that new campus. Temporary classes will begin in Palm Springs next month.